Right, some news just off the assistant SydSquad bat phone.
Oh yeah, the bat phones are ringing and we're heading the call. Go ahead.
American Airlines 777-300 Bay 8. Not confirmed, but just look.
STC, TBC, not confirmed. Don't take it as
exactly
gospel. All of those things.
TBC, just keep an eye on the cockpit window.
Yep.
We might
up on pushback. I'm not promising you anything, but you know, work is being worked down there at the nose wheel right now.
Sorry.
Was it the A380 walkers you're looking for?
Oh, Dougie's there in the chat. Oh, hello there, Dougie.
G'day.
On the pushback, Tim. On the pushback.
Oh, on the pushback. Okay.
Yeah. Not now. On the pushback.
Okay.
But just keep an eye on it.
Yeah. Well, all right,
in case they do it now.
We'll keep our. Oh, in case they do it now. Okay. Well, we better be watching.
Well, I'm watching. I'm watching Tim. I'm watching.
Oh,
yeah! You, the shaka.
Oh,
the lads.
How good's that?
The community works here. The community works. Well done, guys.
Oh, dear. Tell them we said thank you. Tell them we said thank you.
Will do.
Here we go.
American 72, Sydney ground, g'day from Bay 8. Pushback is approved. American 72, clear to push.
There we go. So pushback approved.
Pushback approved. Keep an eye on those windows.
Let's see if we get another wave. Let's have a look.
Bay is commencing push. I will get you moving in about 2 minutes.
Are we on Maker?
We are.
Beautiful. Just in case we get a cheeky wave. There we go. Oh, he's a salute.
That is a salute. You guys are awesome, man. That is absolutely brilliant.
How good is that?
That's so cool. Well, that's the boys doing the biz there, and we're going to wait for the startup as well. Should be a